You finally launch your landscaping website, and for about 5 seconds, it feels amazing until the panic sets in. Will anyone actually find it? Will it show up when potential customers search for businesses like yours? Do you need to become an SEO expert overnight? The good news? If you built your website with Airo AI Builder, your website is built to be discovered online, which means you can spend less time worrying about SEO and more time focusing on your business. Why? Because in order for search engines like Google to help customers find your business, your website needs to speak their language, the language of SEO. Don't panic. That's exactly what Airo AI Builder takes care of for you. As it builds your website, it automatically adds important information that helps search engines understand your business from day one. So when potential customers are searching online, your business is ready to be found. It also means that when your website appears in search results, it shows up in a more professional way. Instead of just a link, people can see professional imagery, your business name, your location, your contact details, and your opening hours. Looks good, right? There's another benefit to having Airo AI Builder take care of your SEO for you. Let's say you send your website to a friend or a potential customer. Without SEO foundations in place, your URL will just share as is, a plain link, kind of disappointing. But Airo AI Builder sets things up so that when you share your website, people don't just see the link. They see an image, your business name, and a description, creating a much stronger first impression. No extra setup, no coding, no SEO expertise required. Airo AI Builder takes care of it behind the scenes, so you can focus on running your business. Because a professional website is great, but a professional website that gets found is even better.